Toy Story one? Toy Story.
We're going to all go sit down and do whatever Mommy allows us to do. Because I'm not sure what's on the approved list. Apparently, you're not allowed in the pantry due to the new door lock. We're not allowed to watch the TV or it would be on.
Help me.
How am I going to hold you? You want to film? You want to film Mommy? Here. I'll hold you. Hold the camera. Okay. Now you have to... you're filming whatever you look at. So point it at Mommy. Hold it up and you have to see Mommy in there. Do you see Mommy's face?
Yeah.
Yep. So that means you're recording Mommy right now.
Yeah.
I got your agua. What's agua?
You have to put down the camera then if you're going to drink water. Don't push that button. You're going to stop it. You have to. You're filming Mommy's feet now. See? You want to get people's faces. What about Booga? Can you get Booga's face?
I got it.
Yeah.
You're filming Booga? You got teeth now, boy.
Looking at you now.
Whoa, that's real close, Chase.
Whoa.
You filming us? Can you see us?
Yeah.
Who's this?
Booga.
Booga.
And Daddy.